Soil profile. Soil is made up of different layers called horizons. Each horizon has its own characteristics. A soil basically has 5 horizons, namely O, A, B, C, and bedrock. The first layer is called the O horizon. This layer contains dead organic matter that lies on the surface. This mostly consists of fallen leaves and decaying animals. Second layer is the A horizon. This is commonly known as topsoil. This layer has high concentration of organic material called humus. Many living organisms live in the topsoil. Third layer is the B horizon. It is commonly known as subsoil. This layer contains more minerals but less humus. Fourth layer is the C horizon. This layer is rocky and made up of weathered rocks. Nutrients concentration is low in this layer. The final layer is made of solid rocks and commonly known as bedrock.